natural hair is key. If this is your first time stopping by, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you don't miss any more videos. And let's get right into the hair tutorial. Okay, so today I'll be sharing my super defined twist out, and these are some of the products that I will be using. Okay, so I have saturated my section with more hot to medium water because my hair likes hotter water. And I'm just making sure that the water is all the way through the section. And then I'm gonna take my Curls Unleashed, which I'm super excited to try this product because it says that it provides less shrinkage, and my hair shrinks a lot. Like, my twist out are so small, they're always short, and I would like them to be a little longer. So I'm actually excited to see what this product will do and if it will truly stop all that shrinkage that my hair does typically allow. So I am going to start off with a generous amount, and I'm going to take some oil, and I'm just going to mix those together. And then I'm just going to start lathering it onto my section. Just trying to make sure that the product is evenly distributed through this section. So now I'm going to take some gel, and I'm just going to apply it onto this section. And I'm just twisting the hair, wrapping it around each other. That's all you're doing. And you want this to be tight so that your twist out comes out really defined. Now I'm just combing the end so that when I coil it, it's gonna coil nice and neat. And when I take it down, it's gonna still have a nice curl pattern. Alrighty, now on to the next section. And I'm just gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna mix oil in the product again. Look at this, sis. Look at this, sis. Do you see those freaking curls? Oh my gosh, they are popping. Oh my gosh, they are popping. And my curls, like, we're doing a washout with this product. Y'all stay tuned for that video. I said washout. Wash and goes. I typically don't do wash and goes because they don't typically work for my hair. I feel like after I get done with one, my hair is all shrunk up in like a little mushroom on my head, and I don't like that. I don't like that look at all. So I'm just going to continue to twist my hair all the way till I get to the front. And then I'm going to start the 3-strand twist, and then I'll slow the video down so that I can show you that more in detail. Alright, so I am starting the 3-strand twist, and basically I am taking the last strand and I am pulling it in front of the first strand. Then I'm going to take the second to the last strand and pull it right in front of the last strand. And then I'm going to take the first strand and pull it right in front of the second to the last strand. And then I'm back to the last strand and I'm just overlapping that in front of the first strand again. And basically whatever strand is in the back, that's the strand you want to put in front of the strand that's basically first at that time. And I'm just going to continuously basically pull these in front of each other until I get all the way down. And you want to make sure that you keep this as tight as possible, because if you don't, your twist out will not come out very defined at all. But practice makes perfect, so the more that you do this, the easier it will get. I really hope that made sense to you guys. If not, I'm gonna continue to show you how I 3-strand twist until I'm finished. Okay, and now I'm just taking some more gel and I'm just going to use that to recoil the ends of my twist. So this is the part where I'm going to show you how I'm just going to combine one of the 3 strands into one of the other 2. And basically I'm doing that because it's shorter than the other 2 strands. So I had to combine it into one of the strands that had less hair. And then I'm just going to 2-strand all the way till I get to the bottom. So now I'm just going to let my hair air dry. I'll see you in 24 hours. Alrighty, so we have made it to the finishing line almost. Basically, I am taking some olive oil and I'm going to rub each twist before I start to unravel the twist, just so that I'm not creating extra frizz, because we already have enough frizz as it is and I want to have less as possible. And the easiest way for you to unravel your hair is to basically reverse the twist, meaning the way that you twisted it, twist it back the opposite way, because that will create loops into your twist, and then you can easily split it apart without disrupting your curl pattern. As you can see, I don't feel like this elongated my curls, because I mean, it's super curly, but it's just so short. So now what you want to do is go into each twist after you have unraveled it, and basically start to separate it, but start from the roots, because when you do that, it will kind of tell you where the parts are going to automatically form, and that's the parts that you want to pull apart. And that's what I'm going to do throughout the rest of my head. And then I'm going to take a pick, and then I'm going to fluff it just for a little extra volume. Just going to take my handy dandy pick and pick at the roots just a little bit, not a lot, because I don't want to interrupt the curl pattern. Just gonna pin this side up because I just feel like it'll look better if I pin one side up, then leaving both sides down. I do recommend that you do try the ORS for kinky coils. I would just say that it doesn't elongate your curls as much as it says it does, because as you can see, my hair has curled all the way up, which isn't a bad thing. It's just shrinkage is real. It just shrinks. But this will probably last me all week because my hair is so defined. And you know, I'm perfectly fine with that. If it's gonna stay curly and defined like this, then hey, more power to it. Well, I hope you guys really enjoyed this twist out tutorial. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that bell icon if you have not already, so that you'll be notified on any new videos that I release. And until next time, guys, I shall see you soon. Bye.